Welcome to this meditation, Mindfulness for Sadness. Sadness is a natural part of being human. You don't have to push it away or pretend it is not there. In this space, we will simply sit with what is true, gently, mindfully, and without any judgment. Sit or lie down in a comfortable position. Let your eyes close or rest your gaze softly ahead. Let your hands rest wherever they feel supported. Take a slow, deep breathe in and exhale gently. Feel your body begin to relax. Let your shoulders drop, your face soften, your belly loosen. There is nothing you need to fix right now. Just be here. Bring your attention to your breath, noticing how it flows in and how it flows out. There is no need to control it. Let your breath be your anchor. Each breath is a quiet reminder. I am here. I am breathing. I am still moving forward, even in sadness. If there is a sadness in you right now, name it silently. You might say to yourself, I feel sad, or there is a heaviness here. Let yourself feel it, not to dwell in it, but to acknowledge it. You are not your sadness. You are the space in which sadness is visiting. You don't need to change it. Just sit beside it, like sitting beside a friend who is hurting. Scan your body slowly. Notice where the sadness lives. Is it in your chest, your throat, behind your eyes? Place your hand gently over that area if it feels comforting. Now say, it's okay to feel this way. This feeling is not forever. I am safe in this moment. Let your breath wrap gently around the feeling, not to push it away, but to hold it with care. Now offer yourself a few kind words. Let them come from the most loving part of you. Try silently repeating, "May I be gentle with myself. May I offer myself kindness. May I let this feeling pass when it is ready." If you can't say those yet, try, "May I be open to kindness someday." Even that is enough. Begin to bring your awareness back to the room. Feel the surface beneath you. Notice the air on your skin. Take one final deep breath in and exhale slowly. Gently open your eyes. Remember, sadness is part of being alive. You are not broken. You are beautifully human, and you are not alone. Thank you for practicing mindfulness with me today.